Hey guys, I'm just going to show you something I bought myself because I kind of need it for the four-wheeler. I'll just turn the camera and show you. This thing. If y'all want to read it, just pause the parts. I don't know how good it is yet, but so far what I have used it looks good, runs good. So I'm not sure yet. I'll keep you posted though. And we're back to the front. That's the name of it. Put them up. This is a bag it comes with. Hang on. Yeah. I don't know how good y'all gonna see, but this is what it looks like. And this here you use to charge it, or here you can charge your phone off of that, or anything that takes a USB to charge it. It's got a light on it. I'll see if I can show you the light. Wait, I don't need to do that. There's the light. There's one. There's the other. And then it's off. Turn the screen on. And you can set the piss size to wherever you want. It goes up to 140 psi. You can even take her down. I don't know how far you can go, it doesn't say. But you can also change right over here. See that? You could change them. And it shows you the battery on how it's charged. You got this little bitty hose to go with it. All your little gizmos, you can do basketballs and footballs and stuff. The charge cord that comes with it for the USB, the way you can charge things. And it's that, I think it's called a C. You can use it to charge your phone. Well, I can. And you can plug it into the USB part on here, on this thing, and charge your phone, or flip it around and charge this thing. Then you can plug it into the cigarette lighter to charge it, or to run it off of a cigarette lighter. Don't know which one. I'm thinking it does both. It charges it and makes it where you can use it. And that's the little case right here. It's like velvet filling, like almost. It's not very big at all. You got all this space, this little bit of space right here, and you're supposed to fit this, this, and this, all in this tiny little spot up here. But hey, it's not bad. It does what you need it to do. You got a little LED light so you can shine up everything. You got a manual and all kinds of other stuff to go along with it. 2 different languages. So, yeah. Yep, that's about it. Oh, might want to turn the light off. Anyways, so if y'all know how good these are, drop it in the comments. If you don't know, well, I'll keep you posted on them and let you know how good it does. My sister has some 17s, I think, or 18s on her Tahoe, and I can do a video, but I think the box said 60 psi's from like flat tires, like no air. To get to 60 psi is 10 minutes. I don't know if I want to sit there and just do this for 10 minutes and whatnot. Anyways, let me know if you know what these, how good these are. If not, I'll let you know. Like I said. Anyways, I'm gonna jump off here. Till next time, stay weird.